Look who's awake. Right on schedule. So, how are you? Do you remember what happened?
Somebody!
Shut up. You're only annoying the two of us. This room is underground, soundproofed, and carefully hidden.